Hi, this is Kelly with CNG Complete. This is a 2007 Toyota Tundra. We just finished the conversion on it. We've got a Type 2 13.5 gallon tank in here. We will be putting a cover over the top of that. Got the fill valve inside here with the normal gasoline valve or fill door. Inside here we've got our switch, our button, just right here in the center. So got a manual shut-off valve down here. And under the hood you can see the injector rail right here. It's got a low pressure fuel filter underneath here. Another one underneath here. On this truck we've got a high output regulator. It'll feed this thing whatever gas it needs, even towing and at high loads. So it's a really nice setup on the regulator. And these systems are a 5-year warranty. And these Toyotas really love them. Runs perfect. Can't even really tell any difference between the two fuels. You don't know when you're running on natural gas or regular gas if the button didn't tell you. Anyways, thanks. That's a 2007 Toyota Tundra.